Hey there, travelers! Ready to transform your vacation experience? Today, I'm sharing the top tips to travel like a pro and enjoy a stress-free vacation. Stay tuned because these tips will make your next trip unforgettable. First things first, plan ahead. Book your flights and accommodations early to get the best deals. Use travel apps to track prices and make reservations. A little preparation goes a long way in avoiding last-minute stress. Next, pack smart. Create a checklist of essentials and stick to it. Roll your clothes to save space and use packing cubes to keep everything organized. Don't forget to carry a small travel kit with medications and toiletries. Travel light whenever possible. Opt for a carry-on to avoid long waits at baggage claim and potential lost luggage. Plus, it's easier to move around with less baggage. Remember, most airlines allow a personal item in addition to your carry-on. So use a backpack or tote bag to carry your in-flight essentials, like snacks, entertainment, and important documents. Stay connected with essential apps for navigation, language translation, and currency conversion. Apps like Google Maps, Duolingo, and XE Currency are incredibly useful when traveling. Always carry a power bank to keep your devices charged and a universal adapter for international trips. It's also a good idea to have a portable Wi-Fi hotspot or an international data plan to stay connected wherever you go. Research your destination thoroughly, learn a few basic phrases in the local language, and understand cultural norms. Knowing your destination helps you blend in and enjoy a more authentic experience. Use platforms like TripAdvisor and Lonely Planet to find recommendations and read reviews from other travelers. Also, download offline maps and guides to have all the information you need at your fingertips, even without internet access. Prioritize your health and safety. Carry hand sanitizer, wear masks in crowded places, and stay informed about travel advisories. Always have travel insurance to cover any emergencies. Check the local healthcare facilities and know where the nearest hospital or clinic is located. It's also wise to have a small medical kit with you, including items like Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and any prescription medications you may need. Lastly, remember to relax and enjoy your trip. Schedule downtime in your itinerary to explore at a leisurely pace, and don't be afraid to go off the beaten path to discover hidden gems. Traveling is about the journey as much as the destination, so savor every moment. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. Don't forget to subscribe to Rest and Relax for more travel tips and destination guides. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Safe travels and see you in the next video.